Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating prerequisites. OS, CPU, RAM, and disk space meet minimums. Next, install the chosen SQL Server package using the System Package Manager or installer. Start the service immediately. Once done, create an administrative account with a strong password and enable the service to start on boot. Make sure to open the database port in the firewall and bind the server to the correct network interface so you can connect remotely. These steps get you into configuration without delay. You now harden and tune the server. Edit the main config to set data directory, transaction log locations, and memory limits to match available RAM. Then, enable and enforce authentication methods and create role-based users with least privilege. Once done, configure SSL/TLS certificates for encrypted client connections and adjust listen addresses. Also schedule regular backups and point-in-time recovery. This prevents data loss. Make sure logging and monitoring are enabled so you can observe performance and troubleshoot later. You finish by validating operations. Connect from an external client, run basic CRUD queries, and confirm expected performance. Next, execute a restore from backup to verify recovery procedures, and if you use replication or clustering, trigger a failover test. Once done, enforce monitoring alerts and document credentials and maintenance tasks. If something fails, check server logs first, then verify firewall, SE Linux, or AppArmor policies, file system permissions, and port bindings. These are the single most common causes of connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.